Induced coma after being thrown from the bed of a truck in which he was riding. Tonight, a look at the state laws.
With coverage you can count on, this is Channel 3 Eyewitness News at 6 in HD.
Thanks for watching Eyewitness News at 6. I'm David Carroll.
And I'm Cindy Sexton. It's been a little more than 2 weeks since a Cleveland family got the call parents never want to hear.
They're not.
A Cleveland teenager is fighting for his life in the intensive care unit. The 19-year-old fell off the back of his friend's pickup truck, and now his family is just hoping he'll make it back home.
They were just sitting around talking, and they were sitting around, in the truck.
Tanner McGuire's father calls it a freak accident, and he's not sure exactly what happened. But for the past 15 days, his son has been in a medically induced coma, barely holding on.
We haven't talked to him in 15 days. We haven't seen his brown eyes pop open.
The law varies by state, and in Tennessee, anyone over the age of 12 can ride in the back of a pickup truck. In Georgia, all ages are allowed, as long as the truck is not on the interstate. That's a law McGuire is now hoping to see change.
There should be rules against that. I think that anytime you're in a vehicle, you should be wearing some type of restraint.
McGuire says Cleveland has had too many tragedies already this year, many of them being car crashes.
If this would stop one child from doing what happened to Tanner, and to keep one parent out of here and having to go through what we go through daily.
If it would make a difference, McGuire is willing to share his son's story.
15 seconds of fun can turn into a lifetime change, and can drag you, take you to a whole different place that you don't want to go.
The Cleveland community is trying to help the McGuire family pay for hospital bills and medical expenses. They've created orange bracelets with the words "Pray for Tanner" on them. They're selling them for $1 each, and more information can be found on our website at WRCBTV.com. In Chattanooga, Kelly McCarthy, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
20 other states also don't have laws that keep riders out of the back of a pickup. Those are highlighted here. Alabama and Kentucky are among them. The states that do have restrictions have laws that vary depending on the age of the rider.
Tragic news today. A mother